Modern politics is about packaging. This scene from The Candidate shows the moment campaigns become productions where consultants, cameras, and slogans start shaping not only candidates' looks, but how the voters think.
I dig it. It's raw, but I eat it up. A lot of work to be done, my friend, but I get the feeling you know where you're going.
I don't.
Yeah? No, honey. I told you 5 to the party. No. One more, we gotta use another car, so we blow the whole conversation.
Bill is concerned over what kind of control we'll have over which of your commercials will go out over the tube, et cetera, et cetera.
Now, Luke knows this. He's worked with me before, and he knows I checked you out, too. The bottom line is this. I like what you stand for. You got balls. Otherwise, I wouldn't take you on. All right, so we take my crew, we get you doing your thing, and that's it. Thanks, honey. Huh? You just get on with the people. Let me worry about the cameras. I come back in a week, I show you my stuff. You see for yourself I sold you out.
Yeah, but I have final say, though.
What?
I have
You
final say.
don't like what you see, you pull it. It's your money, my friend. That fair?
We'll see.
I'll tell you one thing.
Tell me one thing.
You might just make it, my friend. People are going to take a look at our stuff and see a guy who's got guts. They're going to take a look at the crock and think maybe you can't get it up anymore.
That's what it's all about, huh?
Forget I even said it. I want to show you one thing over here. Now, keep an eye on this. I think I got something for you.
My friends, the issue is whether we are going to hold on to the most successful
fine.
philosophy in the history
keep
of
talking.
mankind, or whether we are going to trade it. Trade it in
Now, you're on your own.
for a collectivist state.
You see that? He works from a stage pose. How many politicians you know can look straight in the camera without coming off shifty eye?
This philosophy is the work of free individuals.
Corny, right?
Of the
What?
foresight
It's
and
what he
daring
wants.
of free enterprise.
He's a master. Just
That has
watch.
made this nation great. But we will not continue in greatness unless we resolve to protect our way of life.
Crocker Jarman. He's been good for California.
Think about it, my friends.
The preceding has been a political message.
We'll label him Mr. Geritol, and you'll do the I'm my own man bit. Okay, now for starters, we got to cut your hair and 86 the sideburns. All right, let's go.
Crocker Jarman has spoken with you often. Crocker Jarman has fought to make this country
The
sound.
same thing happens in government. I think we must have the money on its way in before we start sending it out the other end.
This was 12 years ago, doing the man of the people number. Guy can go any way he wants.
Crocker Jarman has fought to make this country strong.
Who is one of the greatest generals in the history of the United States, General Eisenhower. And no one hates war more than a military man. There may a day come when China should enter the UN, but I think they must earn this entrance.
Let's keep America strong and sound. Crocker Jarman trusts people, and people trust
Guy has sincerity. Right, there's nothing new in the world, except maybe you.
The idea is to get you in completely natural situations.
Honey, no, hold all my calls for 5 minutes. Yeah. Go on, follow. Not too close. Go shake some hands.
What?
Just say hello.
Hello, Bill McKay, running for U.S. Senate. Bill McKay, I'm running for U.S. Senate. Hello, I'm Bill McKay. Hello, Bill McKay, running for U.S. Senate. How are you?
Here, would you like a pamphlet, sir?
Hello, Bill McKay.
Running for the United States Senate.
Bill McKay, running for U.S. Senate. How are you?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to talk to you.
What about?
About how the economy throws everything on the backs of the working man. Like interest rates, and, I don't know, rents, food costs all go up faster than your paycheck.
Yeah, that's very
See,
interesting.
most people think because you've got a union that you've got it made.
They do?
But you still get laid off, don't you?
Yeah, well, I gotta go now.
Take it easy. Hi. Hello, Bill McKay, running for U.S. Senate.
Half a century later, that scene feels less like satire and more like prophecy. The cameras never turned off. They just moved into our hands. Today, candidates are influencers. Campaigns are content strategies. And every voter is an algorithmic target. What began as television advertising has become a 24-hour optics war, where the image of authenticity is carefully staged and endlessly streamed. The difference between then and now is total exposure. The candidate warned what would happen when politics became performance. We're living in it, a democracy where everyone's watching, but fewer and fewer are listening.